Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad X280. Today we are going to be replacing the keyboard. This process will take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The tools required will be a Phillips screwdriver and a non-metallic pry tool. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button to power on the system. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS setup menu. Use the right arrow key to select the config menu. Navigate down to the power menu option and press enter. Select the disable built-in battery menu option and press enter again. Verify that yes is selected and press enter. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Pry up and remove both trackpad buttons. Loosen 2 capture screws. Slide the keyboard toward the back of the system and lift the front edge. Pull the keyboard out from the bezel and flip it over. Disconnect the keyboard and track point cables from the system board. Remove the keyboard from the system. Place the keyboard upside down on the system. Connect the keyboard and track point cables to the system board. Flip the keyboard over and insert the top edge under the bezel. Lower the bottom edge and slide it downward. Tighten 2 capture screws. Replace both trackpad buttons.